Need help on your college applications? College admissions counselors aren't always affordable, and admissions officers know when you've written with ChatGPT. That's why Khan Academy's new AI tool, Khanmigo, is here to provide college admissions guidance, help brainstorm your personal statement, and provide feedback on your application essays. I'll show you how Khanmigo can guide you through the admissions process. Khanmigo, the college admissions activities will be found right on your homepage, which you can also access by clicking the AI Activities tab. Here, you'll see a full list of Khanmigo's activities. If you don't have Khanmigo on your account yet, I've described how to sign up in the description. Features I want to highlight. Let's start with the first. Navigate college admissions and financial aid. You can use this activity like you would chat with a college admissions counselor. If you still need help picking a major, deciding where to go to school, or just need general advice, this is where you'll want to start. If you need help brainstorming your college admissions essay, scroll up the activities bar to the right section where you'll find the Brainstorm and Admissions Essay activity. Start by sharing where you're at in your application process, and Khanmigo will walk you through questions to brainstorm and narrow essay ideas that capture your unique story and impress admissions officers. To start, Khanmigo has asked me to list several of the things I do outside of school. Let's give it a try. I shared that I played the flute in a marching band, work in a cafe, and write comedy for fun. Let's see what it says. Now, let's narrow things down a bit. Which one of these things had a big impact on your life? I chose marching band because it taught me teamwork. Let's see what it has to say. As you can see, it's asking me a series of questions to help me dig deeper in narrowing down my topic. You'll work through the questions until you've narrowed down on a topic, and then Khanmigo will help you generate some of the 5 keys to a strong personal statement, including a hook, conflict, transformation, lesson learned, and the lasting impact on you and your goals. The best part is that Khanmigo won't write for you, but act as a thought partner to help you build a strong plan and outline to demonstrate your unique strengths. Once you've started writing and have a draft written, then you can move along to the Check for Problems in My Admissions Essay activity. Here, you can paste a draft of your admissions essay, and Khanmigo will check it for common mistakes and pitfalls, as well as give suggestions to improve your writing. I've added a draft, and I'm going to see what Khanmigo has to say. As you can see, Khanmigo has identified some of the pitfalls that I've fallen into. You can use this space to rewrite your essay in live time and get feedback as you go. It's a great way to get a reliable review of your application materials before you submit and make sure you're happy with your final result. You can see how Khanmigo can give you peace of mind to make sure you have all the boxes ticked before you submit your essay. Here it's giving me some last tips: proofread, read aloud, get a second opinion, and reflect. I know deadlines are coming up, but don't stress. With Khanmigo, breaking your applications into manageable steps like this and perfecting your essays is more doable than ever. Details to sign up for Khanmigo with a discount are in the link in bio. Please give these features a try before submitting your college applications and let us know how it goes.